Y'all already know what it is.
This was my first time doing my hair with extensions.
All aboard!
Alright, so I'm just gonna get started. I'm gonna take these out, drench my hair with this spray bottle. Gonna work in some conditioner and go from there. So I have rubber bands at the end of these braids that I'm gonna take off. I'm braiding. My hair is washed, it's clean, it has conditioner, like leave-in conditioner in it already. It also has oil. As I'm starting to wet my hair, you'll see my curl pattern start to come out. I think I have 3C 4A hair. Y'all let me know what y'all think it is. So this side is wet. I like the conditioner that I've been using. I attribute all this to that conditioner. You see how it's just falling? I'll show you in a sec what conditioner I've been using. I loved it since the first time I opened the bottle and put it in my hair. I noticed how magical it was. It's for curly hair, and as you can see, the way it's got my hair definitely works. It will have your hair falling, it will have it bouncy, it will have it stiff work. Comment below if you know where that come from. Stiff work. Okay, my hair is wet. This is the leave-in conditioner I use. It's called Curls. This is the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner. It has organic blueberry extract, chamomile extract, and coconut oil. Coconut oil is an amazing detangler. Okay, I'm gonna use about that much. It's pretty thick, and it spreads really well. Like, my hair is never this bouncy. Nah, never. This is magical for me. Let me see if I could stretch some. Yeah. Grabbing my Denman brush. I'm just gonna spread all of that conditioner throughout my hair. And I attribute the detangling properties of this conditioner to the coconut oil that it has in it. Like, are y'all seeing that? I'm using this Eco Styler. It's the one with olive oil, flaxseed gel, shea butter, and castor oil. And this is my favorite because it has the most ingredients that are actually good for your hair. So to make my part, I'm just gonna use a regular comb. I'm gonna go ahead and do a side part. I love side parts. I always have, so I'm gonna make my old part. Let me see. Is that cute? Hold on. Oh no, child. This is hard. I'm trying to see like how perfect do I really need this part. Let me see. Wow. My hair feels really soft. Guys, I really love, oh my God. I don't know if y'all could see that curl. Do y'all see that curl? Get you some curls conditioner. So I'm gonna just put this into a little holder ponytail, and I'll get back to it. So for now, I'm gonna put gel around this perimeter. Damn, I don't even know how much to use for real. I'm really coating this gel on, y'all, because I want it to be laid. Okay. So going in with the soft brush, soft bristles to lay down the gel. I want to get like a whoosh effect. Yes, ma'am. I look so funny, like whose man's? Who's cool? After this gel, I'm gonna use some mousse to really give it that extra shine and hold and wave effect on the top. And then I'm gonna tie it down while I make the actual ponytail. But it's getting flat, you know? Se ve muy flat, you know? Ooh! And shiny, wow. Mira como brilla. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is put this in a holder ponytail, and I'm gonna come back to y'all when I have the ponytail made and ready to install. Hey baby. Filming right now. No.
Oh, he's good. Sneaking it. Looking sneaky over there.
Thank you.
Alright, I ain't gonna hold you up this morning then. I just wanna call and check on you.
It's okay. I'm about to pause the camera because I need to make the ponytail.
Okay.
Okay, so I made the ponytail. Okay, so that first attempt was a complete and epic fail. I'm going to try this again because I do believe it can and will work. Okay, so the ponytail is just not working. I'm gonna attempt to turn this into a long braid. Okay, I was really struggling, so I had to do the install off camera, but basically this is the braid. I cut the ends to make like a little pom-pom poof, and it's long. It's like almost to my butt. Let's see. I still have to put the mousse in my hair to lay down the top. It looks nice on camera, but it could be slicker. I don't know how much to use. It's blue. Okay. So I'm gonna just spread it all over my head. More. get this literally like everywhere, on every single strand that's exposed. Not in my ear. Wow. Okay, now that the mousse is in, I'm gonna brush it down with the soft brush one more time, and then I'm gonna throw on a scarf so it could lay down all the little hairs. Wow, that looks good. Okay, I'm gonna do my edges with this edge brush / comb, and then I'm gonna tie on my scarf and let it sit for a while. This is edge control, not gel. Ooh, I like that. Ooh. And I'm not doing nothing fancy. I'm literally just laying it down like that. It's the swoopty whoopty. I want it to look neat. Nah, I mean, I want it tight because I want it to stay down, and I want it to activate the waves. The waves. The waves. Okay. Put the dewy on top. I'm definitely gonna have a headache by the time I take these off, cause it's that tight. So I managed to get some of these jewels on. I put these, and this one. I really can't see what that one looks like, but it's my favorite. Now I'm gonna unravel my scarves and see if my hair is laid. My head definitely hurts. It's been a few minutes. Wave check. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is such a relief. Oh. Okay, are y'all ready? I'm not ready. Oh my gosh, look at that shine. It's really shining. I'm just cleaning up a little bit where the scarf kind of left it. Looking wild. Alright. So my hair is done. But I'm gonna try to give y'all a 360. Other side.
Y'all already know what it is.
Okay guys, that's all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking with me through this whole journey. I did everything but cry. This was my first time doing my hair with extensions by myself. It took me several hours, but I like the results. I kind of love it. So that's it for this video.